What can you tell our viewers about how your firm is able to protect the rights of sexual harassment victims?
If there's a manager in the company who's sexually harassing a female employee, regardless of whether the higher-ups know about it or not, they are liable for his conduct. They're responsible for his inappropriate remarks, his inappropriate jokes, his sexual overtures. And it is quite amazing how even in this day and age, even with everything that's gone on, even with the Me Too movement, you still have men in the workplace who think that, making advances towards a woman is part of their privilege. Mm-hmm. And they use their power sometimes to intimidate, to get sexual favors. Now, there are instances where it's called quid pro quo sexual harassment, and this is a bit more nuanced, but it's based on the same thing. It's the power dynamic in the workplace. And there are instances where women, because of familial responsibilities, their financial situation, low self-esteem, what have you.
When a sexual advance is made, an employee may feel unfair pressure to comply.
If you feel that you had to comply in order to keep your job, the minute he crosses that line and decides, I'm going to use my power in order to get some type of sexual pleasure out of this, he is breaking the law. And the distinction I make with a lot of female clients is, if this guy were in a bar and he approached you and you didn't like him, you wouldn't hesitate to say no, would you? But in the workplace, when it's now your paycheck, your ability to feed your family on the line, and you decide to comply, that's the power dynamic at play, and that is sexual harassment. So we handle these cases very aggressively.